I just found out about one of the best and fastest growing niches on Instagram, and I thought, what if we apply this same method to YouTube and TikTok and triple the income? Not like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok pay for creators. So I created this 100% free strategy that you can apply to YouTube and TikTok with this niche and make enough money. And not only that, at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a new method that you can apply to this niche and double your income again. And don't worry, I'm not talking about paid AI tools in this video. This is 100% free. Let me show you some Instagram pages that have been successfully using this method and gained a lot of followers. This page has gained around 90,000 followers. They post videos about self-improvement and leadership. Another successful page in this niche is this one. The specialty of this page is that it targets a female audience and posts videos about female entrepreneurship. Finally, this is by far the most successful Instagram page I have seen in this niche. The name is Valergy, and it has 3 million followers. So we know for sure that this niche works. All you need to do is apply this 3-step strategy. Let's start with branding. The first thing we need is a name for this channel. It's better to use a made-up one-word name rather than using a name with actual words. It's because it gives your brand a unique feeling. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this process. I have created a prompt that you can use to generate a unique name for your channel. You can get this prompt in the comment section. Let's generate this. As you can see here, ChatGPT has generated some amazing name ideas for this. I think all of these names are really good. I'm going to select this specific name, which is Opulara. The next step is to create a unique logo for this. We can use Canva for that. So, logging into your Canva account, the free version is fine. So, first, click this Create Design button and select Custom Size. Let's create this logo in 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Okay, now go to Elements and drag this square shape to the working area and adjust its size to fit the whole area. This is going to be the background. Now let's add a text layer and type our brand name. Now, we need to select a good font. It should be unique, elegant, and luxurious. Check these fonts and select a good one. The quality of this logo depends on the font you are going to select. I think this one would be good for this name. Now, we need to add some elements to this logo to improve its quality. Go to Elements and search for the elements you prefer. I'm going to add a crown graphic to this. Let's add this graphic like this, and we need to change the color of this crown. Yellow and green give luxury and a rich feeling. I'm going to use this green color. Now, you can download this logo. The branding part is done. Now we need to go to the second step, which is selecting a sub-niche for this niche. I'm going to give you several sub-niche ideas for this. All of these are unique and not saturated. You can select any sub-niche you like. Digital detox and mindfulness, micro habits and incremental change, overcoming adversity, biohacking for peak performance, financial well-being, and boss girl mindset. So for this example, I'm going to go with the biohacking sub-niche. This sub-niche is about science-backed methods and hacks to optimize physical and mental performance, including nutrition, exercise, sleep, and productivity techniques. Let's go to the final step, which is content creation. Let's start with finding 10 video ideas. Again, we can use ChatGPT for that. I have created this specific prompt for that. As you can see here, we have some good video ideas for this sub-niche. I'm going to select this first one, which is morning routine for peak performance. The next step is to create the video script for this. Remember this, your video script should not sound like an AI-generated script. It will reduce the quality of your channel. Therefore, your script should be natural and easy to understand. Copy this exact prompt from the comment section and replace the topic of the video. By using this prompt, you will be able to create a natural, unique script for your videos. Let's generate the script and check whether it's good or not. I read this script and it's really good. Now, let's go to the voice generation part. As you all know, the best way to generate realistic voices is 11 Labs, but if you don't want to use 11 Labs, you can watch this video on my channel. It has several alternative websites for voice generation. Let's go to 11 Labs. Now, you need to select a deep voice. Don't use any other voices. It should be deep, motivative, and slow. Let me show you several examples.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
This is really good, but let's try another voice.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
I think the previous voice is good. Let's use it. It's called Midwest. Now, all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated and create all the voiceovers. Okay, now we need to find some stock footage and AI images related to our script. I'm going to use Pexels.com to find some copyright-free footage. Let's go to Pexels.com. You can search the type of video you want in this search bar. Pexels has stock footages for any category you want. So, I'm going to download several footages from this. Now, if you want, you can add some AI-generated realistic images to your video. This is optional. If you like that idea, you can go to Leonardo AI and generate some images related to your script. After you download enough stock videos, you can go to Pixabay.com and download background music. For this niche, I think it would be better if you use dramatic and inspirational music. This website has copyright-free background music for any category. Okay? Now we have all the materials to edit the final output. I'm going to use CapCut to edit this video. It's a beginner-friendly free video editor, and it's not complicated like Adobe Premiere Pro. Just go to this website and download it for free. Okay, open the CapCut and start a new project. Click this Modify button. Now, here you can edit the size of the video. This is a short video, so select a 9:16 ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voice over to the timeline like this. Then, you need to add the suitable footage and images on top of it in the correct order and make sure that these clips match the video script. So just like this, add all the videos to the timeline. Now, go to Transitions. There are a lot of transitions available here. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. After you add all the transitions, go to this adjustment option from the top menu and drag this custom adjustment layer to the timeline like this. You can expand this layer to cover the whole sequence like this. Then, if you go to this side menu, you can edit the colors of this video. By using these colored bars, you can edit the color tone of the video. And using these options, you can basically change anything. You can darker the video and make it more vintage looking. And especially, I really like this option. But using this, you can darken the corners of the video. It will give this video a luxurious look. And if you go to this curves option, you can control the overall brightness of the video. So, play with these and make your video more attractive and engaging. After that, we need to add captions for this video. Go to Text from this top menu, select Auto Captions, and click this Generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. Now, we need to edit these captions to stand out more. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Now, select all the captions and go to Animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. After that, the video is completed. You can watch this example video at the end. As I mentioned in the beginning, there is another way to monetize this brand. It's by creating a luxury clothing brand. I will make a separate video for that, showing how to create a luxury clothing brand step by step. I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you guys in the next video.
Imagine starting your day like a champion every single morning. Ready to unlock your peak performance? First, rise early. The world is quieter and you can focus better. Successful people swear by it. Next, make your bed. It sounds simple, but it's the first win of the day. Small wins lead to big victories. Hydrate and stretch. Your body needs fuel and flexibility. It wakes you up and gets you ready to conquer. Now, set your intentions. Write down your goals and visualize success. This aligns your mind with your ambitions. Move your body. Even a quick workout boosts your energy and mood. You're primed for peak performance.